BH Beauties, Deanna here. Today I created this bright makeup look using the new Run Wild palette by Yong. So if you want to know how to get it, keep watching. Taking my number 6 brush from the Rose Romance brush collection, I'm going to go in with Juicy and blend this out in my crease. Next, using the same brush, I'm going to go in with Dusk and place this on the outer corners. Next, taking brush number 9, I'm going to go in with Wild Child and place that on the lid. Same number 9 brush from the Rose Romance brush collection. I'm going to take Juicy and place that underneath the lash line. Next, taking brush number 10, I'm going to go in with Starlit and place this in my inner corners. Next, I'm going to go in and apply the Stellar Lash Mascara. Next, taking the number 1 brush from the Rose Romance brush collection, I'm going to go in with Cocoa and bronze my face. Taking the same number 1 brush, I'm going to take Daydream and place that on the apples of my cheeks. And here we have the final makeup look using the Run Wild palette by Yong. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and make sure to hashtag BH Cosmetics so we can see your creations. Bye guys.